Thought this might be worth doing a video on. Here we have these fiber optics and installations of origami flowers. See, this one's going up, folding up, because all around here they have distance detectors, which we've used in a past video. Check out that video, I'll link it at the end of this video. And right here we have some displays of art and nature. Some important facts are listed on here too. If you watch long enough, they've got quotes. And here we go. Spend majority of texting rather than interacting with those present. Anyway, overall pretty cool. Just a neat sample of what you can do with Arduino and distance detectors. And here, if you step on these pads here, it'll blow up, as you can see. And if you wanted to read into this a little more, you can go to Sustain Qs.